Hello guys, welcome for this new tutorial. I'm Thomas, founder of LeadsStudio, and today I will show you something that I think is going to help you a lot to set up your Google Ads campaign. If you are like us, using a lot geo-targeting on Google, when at first we try to geo-target correctly on Google, on the US side, it was really hard. It was honestly a nightmare. So I decided, of course, once we find a way to correctly target our campaigns, to show you how we do that and how you can correctly target if you are based on zip list, if you are doing lead generation campaign on the home services, home securities verticals, which is classic, of course, for those verticals. I'm pretty sure that you may struggle a lot like we used to. So I hope this tutorial is going to help you a lot, of course, and to show you how on our side and how on your side you can correctly target your customers if you have like a very long zip list to upload onto Google. So this is going to be very quick because in fact what we did, we solved at 100% the problem. It will be based on the Google Sheet and on the upload of the zip list inside Google after the Google Sheet is correctly set up. The Google Sheet will be downloadable in the link below this video. So if you find it useful, don't hesitate, of course. And I hope again that this tutorial will show you how we work at LeadsStudio and how we can again deliver you with great leads for your campaign. So let's jump into my screen and I will share with you what we do. So what's the problem? We'll go on the Google Ads platform, which I hope you all already know. So when you set up a new campaign, we'll take as an example a search campaign, of course. You will see that if you have like a very long zip list to upload, you will see that it's where the problems tends to begin. So here we go. So let's say that we need to do a lead generation campaign on the search. Let's take a Windows website that we have. Okay. Campaign name, so this will be demo zip list. In the meantime, you can see how we set up a search campaign on Google, which is very easy, of course. Okay, so let's don't spend too much time on the setup because this is not what I want to show you. Okay, here's where it starts to get a little bit harder. So the thing is that you have a lot of location options to target. So I'm in France, as you know. It's always lead generation with the French touch because we are French-based for the moment. Okay, so basically what you want to do is that when you have a zip list to enter into Google, this will be the way to proceed. So you click and enter another location, advanced search, and there you click on add location in bulk, and it's where you are supposed to upload your zip list. What happens if you only upload the zip code? So let's go onto the Google Sheet that I'm going to show you and how it works. So let's say that you have this crazy zip list to upload. So you upload the zip list. So we cannot go over 1,000 zip code at a time. This problem, I didn't find a solution. Honestly, you need to go 1,000 by 1,000, but let's go for this first list. So you will compute and upload all the zip code. So first problem is that there are almost more than 10% that are not correctly matched by Google. And then if you click like target all, this is always what is going to happen. Like you are going to have 80% that are correctly mapped, which we can see here. But the problem is that the 20 remaining percent are not correctly mapped on Google, and you are going to advertise on France, on Germany, which is of course not the way we want to proceed. So the problem is that you need not only into Google to upload the zip code, but to upload the location correctly based on the Google Ads standards. And what are the standards? It's zip list, the zip code, plus state, plus the country, which is of course United States. And it needs to be in this very order. And that's where it starts to be a little bit complicated. So what we did, we built this amazing zip list mapping, which you can just, in the column A, upload your zip list, and it will dynamically populate the correct zip targeting that is going to respect the Google Ads standard. So on column E, here is the final list. So you just need to paste then the correct format into Google. Up. There are too much, of course. So here's the zip list. You click on search. So still some locations that were not correctly matched, but when you target them, it's correctly targeted on Google Ads. So you will not have any zip code that appear in France, in Germany, or worldwide, and it will only focus onto, of course, the zip list inside the US. The main struggle may be that sometimes it's not correctly mapped. As you can see, that's a Google problem. But the main focus here is to really avoid targeting wrong states, wrong, of course, areas, and to be sure that you only focus on the correct zip code. If you want to go even further, what you can do is that, of course, you save. Click on the presence option here only, so that you are saying to Google, okay, I just want people that are in or regularly in my included location. And then what you can do also is to refine even further your location by excluding the state in which you have no targeting at all. So especially the states that are near the zip list you are going to target. So if we have a clear look here, so we have Pennsylvania, Connecticut, Delaware, Virginia, New York. Well, I think you get it. Then you click on search. But this time you will not target the states, you will exclude them. So that you are sure to only advertise on the areas you are going to target and not on the nearby states or the nearby areas on which is going to be out of your targeting. Then you click on to save, and that is, my friends, the only way to correctly upload a zip list into Google and to correctly geo-target your campaign on the Google Ads platform. So what you want to do right now is, of course, to get access to this zip list. So it will be, again, downloadable in the link below this video. If you find it useful, this tutorial, please let me know. So you just need to click on to subscribe, like, comment, share. And of course, if you want to work with us, you can directly go onto LeadsStudio.us and reach out to us, and my team will gladly jump onto a call with you to understand your needs and how we can help you generate great leads. That's all for me today. Have a nice management of your Google Ads campaign and see you soon for our next tutorial. Bye.